friends, welcome to Smart Record All-in-One and I'm Saraman. Today in this video friends, I'm going to tell you about a new Paytm Postpaid trick friends, way to transfer money to your bank account and few payment proofs and a new earning application friends. Before starting this video friends, if you like this video, please give me a like button and subscribe to our channel SR All-in-One friends. And even click on bell button friends, where you'll be getting everything updates friends when I'll be uploading in this video friends. And in description friends, I'll be providing even Telegram channel link friends. Even you subscribe there also friends, because I'll be leaving every update there friends. Because for every small update I may not do video friends, so but I can give you update friends with the help of the Telegram channel friends. So friends, come there and subscribe our channel Telegram channel friends. See friends, that before starting this video friends, first I'll be telling about an earning application called UC Menu friends. As you all know friends, many members I think will be knowing friends about this offer, and even in Telegram I have updated friends. See friends, here nothing friends, as we all know friends, every month they'll be leaving any of the program friends from UC Menu. Even this month they have left friends, where friends in this month you are getting, whereas like recharge, DTH, movie, even free charge, like this you are getting many more friends by this offer friends. But I have like only one thing friends, that is recharge friends. As we all know friends, shopping there is somewhat more terms and conditions friends, but I suggest you to make free recharge friends. You can make as many as recharges friends if you gain the coins friends. Yeah friends, in this application you have to gain the coins, then you can use it friends. See friends, here as you observe, see friends, I have 1 or 3 of coins friends, where I have made tasks friends. What are the tasks? They'll be telling with this application you share any app to any other friends, like share it friends. As now you are entering your recent and there you receive friends. Same likewise, even they have left a new concept from here friends. If you make, then you are getting 50 coins. As even if you comment any of good comments, then you are getting 20 coins. Like this they are telling friends. If you make few of the friends, like if you search and if you add any article to your bookmark, then they are providing us coins friends. As I have made like that friends, as I have gained 1 or 3 coins friends. If you observe friends, if you scroll friends, as you observe see friends, here treasury friends, box down friends, more friends, as you can observe 1 rupee note, 10 rupees note friends. If you go friends, you click on more friends, you can observe as many as Paytm vouchers friends. In that friends, see friends, you are getting 25 rupees off on recharge code friends. Yeah friends, still yesterday there was more coins friends, but today it is very only 75 of coins friends. So I'm suggesting you to, it is very best friends. Today 75 friends, you are getting 25 rupees recharge, and tomorrow same friends, and day after tomorrow till the offer is there, you can use this offer friends. See friends, sir, as you have now friends, I'll click on that see friends in the banner of recharge. After I can observe see friends here, where 75 rupees friends, as you can observe see friends, exchange friends. If you click on exchange friends, then you will be asking an type character friends, which they will be giving. Just if you enter friends, as you can observe see friends, this is my code friends. Just take a screenshot to your sake friends, to your safety, and copy the code friends, and just you relay that to your Paytm account friends. There is no minimum recharge friends. You can make 10 rupees, 20, 100, whichever you need, you can do it friends. But they are giving just rupees of 25 rupees friends. As I am a Vodafone user friends, I will be doing 35 rupees. If you are an Jio user friends, then you can make 20 rupees, then you are getting 20 rupees cashback friends. Without investing, you are getting recharge and even cashback friends, because we are not investing not even 1 rupee now friends. So I am telling that. See friends, I have made 35 rupees of recharge. Even I have applied promo code, as you can observe see friends here. This year you can observe see friends down. Cashback has been applied within 24 hours. The cashback will be credited in your wallet friends, as it has become successfully. As you can observe see friends, in my passbook that 25 rupees of cashback has been credited in my account. See friends, this is very simple friends. To this, what is an unlimited loot? It's nothing friends. As in UC Menu friends, as you all know how to log in now friends, with the help of one name already you was doing now friends. That's it friends. Second time what you will do, just reset the application of UC Menu friends, and once again log into other mail ID. Same again you can do task friends. But one thing friends, for one account you are getting only one code friends. So use as many codes and as many of numbers friends, then you can use this unlimited trick friends. This was the first application friends of earning application, where I want to tell you friends. What is my job? To tell you friends. If you like this offer, you can do it. If you don't like, you can ignore it friends. But I suggest you friends, it's very good offer friends. Without investing, you are getting 25 rupees of cashback. And next is Paytm Postpaid friends. Normally friends, for few of them they are getting 500 rupees, for few of them 2000 rupees, as I got 3002 rupees of Paytm Postpaid friends. but everyone will be thinking that if this amount has came to our account, that's very well and good. Yeah friends, even have found one technique friends. It is a very small technique. By this technique even you can transfer your amount to your bank account friends. See friends, here normally friends, as you all know friends, Paytm mini KYC friends, even for them they are giving us 50 rupees cashback friends. If you are using that also, it is useful you. It is a full KYC user also, it is useful to you friends. This offer is for both the people friends, old user and the new user friends. See friends, here first friends, go to Zingo friends, just purchase of ₹100 friends. I need only 100 rupees friends. If you need more you can do it friends. I have clicked enter friends, 100 rupees as it has been added to my cart. And as you can observe, see friends, here make payment friends. There you select your Paytm friends, just make it proceed friends. There you can observe, see friends, here which you want, debit card, credit card, BIM UPI, everything will be asking in Paytm friends. Just you enter number friends. After clicking of enter number friends, just they will be asking OTP friends. After providing OTP friends, what are your account saved debit cards friends, you can observe here friends, everything friends. If you scroll it friends up, then you can observe, see friends, here Paytm Postpaid friends, where with the help of this Paytm Postpaid friends you can do it friends. See friends, as I paid it successfully friends, as you can observe, see friends, here I have got even card friends. See friends, without investing of ₹1 I have got friends. No friends, with the help of this voucher you can purchase of any Paytm, Amazon, any of Flipkart, Snapdeal, anything friends which you want it friends. But I need Amazon voucher friends, so I'll be entering Amazon voucher friends. See friends, I have entered Amazon and even have selected 100 rupees. Even it has went to our cart friends. See friends, after going to cart, same procedure friends, where proceed to pay friends. In Zingo friends, just tick on that friends and paste the code friends. After that friends, pin friends, as you can observe now friends, for which we will be purchasing Zingo friends, we will be getting on 6 pin friends, you should paste here friends. See friends, as I have done, see friends, here just I'll clicking on add friends. After doing add friends, then you will be asking some verification friends, as you are not a robot, just make it that as I have got footpath something friends. See, after doing that friends, after applying friends, you should make proceed to pay friends. After doing friends, if you wait for 2 seconds friends, then you will be getting your delivery within 0 hours to 3 hours friends. After getting like this friends, just you make up to down friends, then you refresh that page friends. After making the refresh friends, as you can observe friends, you have got an Amazon code friends. Go to Amazon app, Amazon Pay and add gift card and paste the gift card friends. As you can observe friends, there 1000 rupees change I was having, now 1100 change I have got it friends. See friends, in this way you can use this Paytm Postpaid friends. Normal friends, there is no chance to withdraw this amount friends. With the help of like this, you can indirectly use it friends. If you want, with the help of Paytm friends, even you can pay extra 7 rupees friends. But why did I tell Amazon? Because there is no handling charges for Amazon friends, whereas for Paytm they are charging for 100 rupees voucher, they are charging 7 rupees friends. If you make 1000 rupees friends, you have to pay 70 rupees friends. So friends, I don't want to waste that 70 rupees friends. Even my users should never waste that 70 rupees friends. So I have told you Amazon friends, if you want you can paste their friends. With the help of that wallet you can transfer to your bank friends, you can use it friends. Within 1 month you have to pay friends, because if not you have to pay any penalty, fines, whichever according to rules and regulations of Paytm friends. See friends, this is then small technique friends where from Paytm Postpaid friends. And next friends, I told you that I'll be showing a small proof friends. Few days ago friends, I have a small article friends, as I told that if you download BIM Access Pay friends, then you are getting 10 rupees. If you make with the help of that app 10 rupees recharge friends, then you are getting 150 rupees of Book My Show voucher friends. As I hope that even few of them were done friends, even few of them were got friends. As this is then proof friends where I have got say friends, not only me friends, to all my friends. Only for few 2 or 3 members they did not get friends, but surely friends within 7 working days they will be providing friends. As they told that after making recharge within 7 working days they will be sending you to your normal message friends. As I have got within 3 days friends. If you are waiting friends, surely you will be getting friends. This was the payment proof friends. See friends, so I am telling you to subscribe to Telegram channel friends. Not only like this friends, still many more offers have been updated recently of Jio 200 rupees cashback I have got friends. How with the help of flight tickets I have got friends. If you don't know, once you can read friends if you come to our Telegram channel friends. That's it friends. If you like this video, please give me a like button and subscribe to our channel SR All in One. See friends, this was the small earning application of UC menu and small trick from Paytm Postpaid and small Paytm proof payment proof of this BIM Access Pay friends. If you like this video, please give me a like button friends. For sake of you, I am making so hard work friends. So please give a small like button friends. Thank you and Jai Hind.